that's the way trading is. You will run through these cycles regardless of what structure you have. And like I said, we've seen this before. We talked about it when it was happening, talking to you about seeing it before, encouraging you to keep your size up, to keep trading the structure by the guidelines, and it'll come back. And now I think Dave just said for the website site trade, we're up about 15% for the year, which is not a fantastic year. I mean, like I said, the first section of this year was definitely challenging, but if you stayed with it, you should be back at least to break even now. Some people are up 20% or so for the year that I know about. Just take that as a lesson for you guys that didn't stick with it. It's a really good system. It's resilient. We've been doing this real time by the same guidelines, essentially, with some minor modifications, mainly to deal with analytical software changes for quite some time now. We have our bad periods, yes, but overall, the system performs quite well. It's a very good, very resilient system, despite the fact the Russell's been all the way down to $300 and all the way up to $1,700 plus.